Hello class 8. Good morning to all. I am here with the third part of the chapter Children at Work. We had discussed in first and second parts that Velu runs away from his home and he reaches railway station Chennai, and there he meets a girl named Jaya. He was feeling very much miserable and hungry, and that girl helps him to get the food, and she is a rag picker. After taking one apple and one vada with Jaya from the garbage bin, what happens next? Let's see. It is given in third part. Jaya and Velu walked along the road for half an hour until they came to a bridge across a dirty trickle of water. We are in Triplicane now. See, that is Buckingham Canal, said Jaya. So here, after eating from that garbage bin, Jaya and Velu, they started coming back because the girl had her sack full of the items, full of the things, and she wanted to go to her home. So Jaya and Velu, they were walking along the road for half an hour, and then they reached a bridge towards a dirty trickle of water. Trickle of water means a very thin river, a stream or a thin flow of water. But actually here Jaya is calling Buckingham Canal as a dirty trickle of water. It's actually a canal. We are in Triplicane, she says. We have reached Triplicane now, and there you can see Buckingham Canal. Next, Velu stared. Velu started looking towards that trickle or canal. This was a canal. Near some puddles of water was a row of strangest huts he had ever seen. They were built out of all sort of things: metals, sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic. So by the side of the canal, near some puddles of water, there were rows of lines of strange kind of huts. And he had never seen such kind of huts by the side of canals. They were built out of every kind of things. Means metal sheets were used, tires were used, bricks, wood and plastic, everything was used to make these huts. They stood crookedly and looked as if they would fall any moment. Crookedly mean something that is not straight. They were not looking straight, and it seemed as if they would fall down any moment. Is this where you live? These houses are strange, said Velu. You live there? These houses, these huts are very strange. In our village, the houses are made of mud and palm leaves. The houses made in our homes are different. In our village, they are different. They are made of mud and palm leaves. Jaya went around to one of the huts and dumped her sack outside. So she reaches one of those huts, and that hut was her, and she dumps the sack, material of the sack, into a heap outside her hut. Then she picked up an empty one. She took a new sack. Let's go. She turned to Velu and gave him a shove. Shove means to push roughly with a force. Pushing him, she turned to Velu and said, "At least help me now. Here, wear these and come with me." She gave him something and asked him to wear that and come with me. She threw him. What did she give him? Give him a pair of old shoes without laces and pushed a sack and a stick into his hands. So she gave him a pair of old shoes. These shoes were not having any laces, and she also gave a sack and stick to Velu to come with her for the work. Velu was confused. What work did she want him to do with these things? The only work he had ever done was on the landowner's farm, weeding and taking cows out to graze. So he was not understanding what she wants him to do, what work he will have to do. He was not understanding because he has worked only in landowner's farm in the village. He used to work in the landowner's farm and there he used to weed. Now, weeding means to remove unwanted vegetation from a cultivated area. Okay, you will see the meaning here too. Weeding means working in a field, removing grass, digging, etc. So this was his work he used to do in the village. The only work he had ever done was on the landowner's farm, weeding, taking cows, and he also used to take cows out to graze. Are there any farms in the city? He asked. So now he was thinking that they might be going to work in the farm. So he asked, are there any farms in the city also? Here you can see outside a hut, the girl is giving him a stick and a sack and old pair of shoes. Now when he asked about the farms in the city, the girl laughed. She laughed and thumped her stick on the ground, hit the stick on the ground. Farms? There are no farms here. We are rag pickers. Rag pickers, she tells him, they are rag pickers. Rag means garbage. They collect garbage. They are rag pickers. And he was surprised. So he asked the question, rag pickers? See my sack. See my sack? Full of things I collected. Girl says, you would have seen my sack, which is always full of things which I collect. Collected? From where? Asked Velu. From rubbish bins, from garbage bins, dust bins. Where else? You collect rubbish? Velu had never heard of such a thing. It was something new for him. Hey, blockhead. Blockhead means hey, foolish. It is not any rubbish, only paper, plastic, glass, such things we collect. We sell it to Jam Bazaar Jaggu. Jam Bazaar is the name of market and Jaggu might be the name of the junk dealer, Kawadi. We sell that rubbish to him. Velu was puzzled. He had heard of people throwing away rubbish. He had only heard about rubbish being thrown away by the people. But why would anyone want to buy rubbish? Why would anybody purchase rubbish, garbage, dust? Okay. Who is Jam Bazaar Jaggu? Why is he buying all this? You think he buys it for show? Girl says, she asked rather, do you think he is going to buy it for showing it to others? He sells this to the factory. He sells all these things to factory. Come on, I don't have time to waste like you. Velu did not move. He had not run away and come to this new place to dig through garbage bins. So he was not moving. He was not ready to do this work. He thinks that I haven't run away from my village to scrounge the garbage bins, to dig through the garbage bins, to work as a rag picker. Jaya poked at him with her stick. Poking, jabbing, J-A-B, jab. Jab with an object such as a finger or a stick. She poked him with her stick. Look here, she shouted. If someone gets there before us, we don't get anything. Means we have to reach the that garbage bin as soon as possible, because if others reach there, then we will not get anything. Don't just stand there posing. Don't pose here, big hero. I am trying to help you. Who filled your stomach today? I am trying only to help you, and I had also provided you food. Your stomach was filled by my efforts only. Velu scratched his head and sighed. Velu was still confused and he was sighing. Sighing, to inhale and inhale a larger quantity of air than usual and immediately exhale. That is called sighing. Velu scratched his head and sighed. I will do it for now, he thought. Right at the moment I have no work, I don't know anything about the city. I will do this work right now until I find a better job. I will do it until I find a good job here in the city. So this chapter, dear students, was written by Geeta Golf, Anushka Ravi Shankar, Arjit Sen, from Trash on Rag Picker, Children and Recycling. Okay, it is finished. Now let's talk about the comprehension check. What material are strange huts made out of? We had read in the text. These huts are made of tin sheets, bricks, tires, woods, plastic, everything was used. Why does Velu find them strange? He finds them strange because in his house village, huts were made of mud and palm leaves. What sort of things did Jaya and children like her collect, and what did they do with those things? These children, they collect paper, plastic and glass, etc., and they used to sell them to Jam Bazaar Jagu, a junk dealer, a kabadi. Is Velu happy or unhappy to find work? Give a reason for your answer. I think he is not happy. He is not happy with his work. He had never done such a dirty job. So he is not interested in this work. Dear student, next, here are other questions, a little longer, for 4 marks. Okay, you have to write in 50 to 60 words, or maybe more than 60 to 80 words. The answer should be: is Velu a smart boy? Which instances in the text show that he is or not? I think Velu is not a smart boy. He is not a smart boy. He had run away from his home. One thing, he was in miserable condition. He was all hungry, and he was following the instruction of a girl in the city because he knows nothing as well. He was hungry. He wanted to have something to eat, so he had to do the work of a garbage or rag picker also. So he was not a smart boy. In this way you can write the answer. Do you think Jaya is a brave and sensitive child with a sense of humor? Find instances of courage, kind nature and humor in the text. Yes, of course, Jaya is a brave and sensitive girl. She takes pity on Velu when she finds him all alone at the Chennai railway station. She herself earns her livelihood by collecting discarded things, and she sells them to the junk dealer. She has a sense of humor also. She calls the dirty trickle of water. She calls Buckingham Canal as dirty trickle of water. Okay, in this way you can write down the answers. One third question: what one throws away as waste may be valuable to others? Yes, things like bottles, glass, papers, okay, which are thrown as waste by the people, they are very much important for the rag pickers. Do you find this sentence meaningful in the context? Yes, it is meaningful because these people, they collect these things, they sell them, and in this way they earn their livelihood. Okay, in this way you have to write down the answer to this question. So in this way this chapter is discussed in 3 parts. I think you might have understood. If you still find any problem, you may make a call to me. It was your teacher Narendra Kumar, PZ English, KV Naleti. Please stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside doors. Take care. Thank you very much. Have a good day.